what we're going to do. I'm going to this way. I'm just going to pass out a card. And I want you to look at your card, and I want you to think about what's on it. So I want you to read it. And I want you to think about if this was on a test, if you got this, but you couldn't see what the instructions were on the test, what do you think the instructions would say on the test? So I don't want you to share. I just want you to think about what type of problem is this? Like, what might the instructions say to do? All right, I want everybody to stand up. Take your card, take your pencil. Yeah, everybody got to be up. Okay, with that in your head, that is what's on your card and what the instructions might be on the test. I want you to walk around. I want you to find other people who might have something similar to you. I want you to find a group of people. It might be more than 2. It might be 3 or 4 or 5. I want you to find as many people as you can that have something similar to what you have.
Oh, wait, yeah. Something like that.
You got it. Yeah.
Find as many people as you can that have something similar to what you have.
Nice. You don't know what that means?
Go walk around. Find as many people as you can that have something similar. So why are those similar? No, it's not going to be the exact same thing. It's going to be similar. What do you guys have? What do you have? So are you guys similar?
I'm with Jamie.
So go find other people that you think are like you.
Because letters, and some of them have the same letters.
Okay, so there's some of the same letters, some different letters. Okay.
Oh, but question: what does it matter if it has the equal sign for this one?
That's a good question. So you guys, this one has an equal sign. That's different from the others. So you might decide whether that's important or not. What do you think? Do you have other people that you think you're grouped with? All right. Let's see. So why do you guys think those are similar? What's similar about them?
Let me see yours. Because you... Whoa. Oh, man, I thought that was cool.
So here's Vanessa. Is this fitting? Which one's yours? That one? So are these similar in any way?
Yeah.
Why? Okay, so there's something moving around. What else is similar? What do you... Commutative. Okay. So, okay, one more minute, and then I'm going to ask you to come up to the board. You don't find anybody that's similar? No. All right. Why would those be similar?
Because they both have numbers, but they're separate properties.
Okay, but separate properties. Well, that's something similar about them. They're different in some ways and similar in some ways. So that's what I want you to decide. Are they similar in any way? Like, do you think those are similar? And did you think you were part of that group? Okay, so you're going to be with them. All right. So here's what I want to do. I want to have everybody huddle up around the board. So we're going to have sort of a semicircle up here. You need to be standing so you can see the board. So Alex, you can stand right here. And we'll come to you right here. Okay. Right. I need all students. Come on. So you can see the board. I don't want you standing behind somebody. And I want you standing with. People that you think are similar to you in some way. Okay? Are we there? Here's what I want to do. What we've just done is we've sort of hit on.
Hey, someone over there?
Okay, what we've just hit on are sort of the three big differences among all these things, these symbol strings. So I actually want to start the next part by kind of calling these out. And they are what Derek said, equations, what Noah said, expressions, and inequalities. And here's what I want you guys to do. I want you to go back to your table, grab your name tag, and then if you are holding an equation, I want you to sit at one of these two tables. If you're holding an expression, an inequality, I want you to sit at one of these two tables. You tell me. And expressions, I want you to sit over here. Equation. Okay. Let me see, how are we breaking out? What I want you to do is just put your orange cards into a pile on your desk. I'm going to collect those. And what I'm going to give your group, is the set of all the cards. So I'm going to ask you guys to start in your table group by separating them and talking to each other about how you know how to separate them into equations, expressions, and inequalities. So you're just going to take all these cards, you're going to lay them all out, you're going to make sure they don't look like this when you lay it out. If it looks like this, what do? You turn it over, and then you see something on it, and you decide, is it an expression, an inequality, or an equation, and you decide on that by talking about it, by saying to somebody, I know this is an equation because. So it's kind of like this. I want to hear, I don't even have it on. I want to hear the I think, what do you think type of language. I want to hear you guys say, I think this is an equation because, and I want you to sort them together, okay? If it's three people sorting independently, it's not happening the way I want it to. So make sure you are talking. Start by laying them all out.
First, we should set them into groups of like the properties, then the inequalities.
Go. We're looking for equations, expressions, and inequalities.
We should like be.
All right, wait. Who's gonna do expressions? Who's gonna do?
What is this? What are these?
Inequalities.
Okay, I'm taking it in
I'll do equations.
These are inequalities.
Yeah, I'll do equations.
I'll take the inequalities. I got it. Inequalities.
This would be an expression, right?
Hello. This is inequalities. Wait, how do you say inequalities? So, what are these?
This is an expression.
What do you think this one is?
Let me see. Because that's like greater than.
Yeah, that's an inequality. Inequality, that's an inequality. Okay, that's it. Wait, put them out.
So we have. This is. I have equations, you have expressions, and you have inequalities.
Yeah, inequality.
So which are we doing here? So you get the equations, inequality. Now, and I want one tile for your group.
Since they have equal signs, so we know that, right? So the ones that have equal signs, like put them like underneath each other. The ones that have equal signs, they're equations, so you can put them together. All right. Except for if you have ones like this, that's not an equation. That's an expression. So like the ones that say 3p and stuff like that, we can put those together. Jeannie, you need some help? Some help?
So first,
The 40 equals.
Wait, no. Wait, how is this an equation?
Because it's an equal sign.
Yeah, but it doesn't have what the others have.
No, but you do multiplication because it's like 5x. So it's like
Alright.
5 times.
And this one, right?
Now, and I want
Yeah,
one,
that
I
one.
want one file for your group.
Yeah, that's an equation.
One file. All right, so you got to decide, how do you tell equations from expressions? How do you tell inequalities?
I
Alright.
guess this one is too. What about this one?
No, I doubt it.
No, because it's. I mean, it has an equal sign.
Yeah, but it looks like the same as this one.
What about this one?
Then what would it be if it's not an
It looks like an
Sort of
equation.
under the...
I guess it'll be an equation. I'm not positive, but yeah. Alright.
I don't. What do you think of y equals 2? It's like not really an equation.
What about f times l equals f?
Wait, first to just sort them out, and then with the extras we don't know about, we'll just, you know.
But what about f times l? 1 equals f? Don't that count as?
No.
Okay, so maybe put in...
I'm not pretty sure because it doesn't have it doesn't show this like what the others show.
Where do you want to put the expressions for the equation?
Okay, next equalities. Inequality. Well, that would be all these signs, right?
Yeah, pretty much would be everything else.
No, not really. We still have the others to sort out though.
As what?
Alright, so
Then that
yeah.
Those other ones? But yeah, what about that one?
that's an equation.
Oh, this has to be an expression.
Yeah.
Alright, and this?
That one, I think it's an equation.
You sure about that?
I'll think about what I'll give you. What I want
No, I think so. I think so.
I'm not a math genius here, so.
It can't be an expression. It definitely can't be. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's. Probably. We don't know about that.
I don't know why.
What about this one? Oh yeah, this one's different.
Y equals 2. Don't that count as an equation?
No,
Not
because
really.
it's sort of like an answer.
Yeah, it's like an answer. It doesn't have like a.
So it counts as an expression?
Well, let's just leave this out and start and figure it out later. Awesome. Whoa.
This is this.
Oh, here's an equation.
But what about these?
okay.
Huh?
I'm okay.
Sorry. No, but what about these two? We also got these to sort out. The
I kind
numbers.
of think that they're equations because they have equal signs, although it's just like.
Yeah, but
I really think this one is an
All right, you got your
equation.
equations in one
yeah,
book?
but it's kind of a bit confusing because they're actually just like
They're letters, but they're also.
So are you guys good? You got all your equations?
we're trying to figure out some stuff.